Hi, I'm Mr. Huber, and in this video I would like to talk about exercise 2. The diagram shows a ramp. The ramp PQRS, the top face, is 8 meters wide and 10 meters long. The ramp slopes at 24 degrees to the horizontal. Find the slope of the diagonal QS to the horizontal. Well, that's what I want here. I've already drawn it into the drawing here. This is what I want, this angle. So it would be good if I knew the height and this diagonal, I would be able to work out alpha. Well, the top diagonal, let's label that one D, is very easy to calculate because it's 10 squared plus 8 squared and the square root of it. So D is 10 squared plus 8 squared, the square root of this. So square root of 100 plus 64, let's take the square root of it. It's 2 times 41, 2 times 40, the square root of 41, which is approximately 12.80. Well, you could store this in your calculator for the later reuse, but well, you can also type this in. Just don't use the rounded value. Now to work out this length, let's label that L, this length here. That's very easy because you know this is 10 and this is L, what you want. So you can use sine of 24 degrees. Look, this is your 24-degree angle, is opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite is L and the hypotenuse is RQ. RQ, that's 10 meters. Okay, so this is 10 meters. This is L, what we want. So it's easy to work out. L is 10 times sine of 24 degrees. Let's type this in. Sine 24 degrees times 10. Well, that's 4.07. 4.07. And now we're able to work out alpha because look, we know L and we know D. So opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, this will be the hypotenuse because you have a right angle here. So this must be the hypotenuse. So it's sine of alpha is opposite L over D. Now we need to work out alpha. So first we plug in everything we know. We know L, that's 4.07. Let me just store this quickly. Shift store A. So I stored it as A because I need to reuse it and I don't want to use a rounded value. And then over D, well, D is 2 times the square root of 41. That's easy to type in. So alpha, and that's the exact value. We need the inverse sign. So arc sine or sine to the minus 1 of 4.07 over 2 times the square root of 41. Look how I type this in. It's arc sine of recall A. That's where I stored this value 4.07 divided by 2 times the square root of 41. Let's close the brackets and we're going to get 18.52 degrees. So alpha is approximately equal to 18.52 degrees. Hope it wasn't too difficult. See you on the next one.